Welcome to our channel Tamil Padikalam, Read Tamil. I am really very happy in talking to you through this video, and I have been waiting for this day to come. Our aim in creating this channel was to assist those who want to learn Tamil. By learn Tamil we mean learn to read, write and speak. In this digital world, writing has taken the back seat because of typing and voice recording. But for completeness sake, when we learn a language, we must be able to write in that language. Now, learning a language is not at all difficult. Some fear that Tamil is very difficult to learn, but we have made our best to make it simple and easy. Learn it through English, the easy way. Christian missionaries who came to India not to spread Christianity learned Tamil so as to communicate with the local people. Of them, Constantine Thomas Beske, who called himself as Veerama Munivar, translated Tirukkural into Latin. Not only that, he authored Thembavani, a poetical work. Similarly, another missionary, G.U. Pope, he also translated Tirukkural, Tiruvasagam, Tiruppugal, Athishudi, so many other Tamil literature books into many European languages. So such is the easiness with which they were able to learn, and such is their love for Tamil literature. Through our last 11 videos, we introduced all the alphabets of Tamil, and I am sure that you are able to identify the alphabets and read them. Let us recollect some of them and also learn some new words. Let us start our practice in reading Tamil with the word Amma, whose English pronunciation is given here. It means mother. A, im, ma, Amma. Now this word contains 3 letters. The first one is a vowel, the second one is a consonant, and the third one is a uyirmai eluthu, consonant with vowel. So that is the beauty of this letter. It has all the 3 components of the Tamil alphabets. Consider that a consonant yam, when we individually pronounce yam, the vowel E is there inherently. Without E, yam cannot be pronounced. So that is why it is called a body letter, letter without life. When it combines with A, it becomes A, yam becomes Then we have Ma, so we get Ma, Amma. So that is how we have to pronounce each word. Now let us read the word Appa, whose English pronunciation is given below. It means father. Appa, A, I, Pa. As we said for Amma, here also A and I becomes Up. Appa, Appa. Now read the word Akka, which means elder sister. A, I, Ka, Akka. Next word is Anna. It means elder brother. A, in, na, Anna. See the pronunciation for in. We have to bend the tongue and touch the back of the upper palate. Anna, Anna. Next word is papa. It means baby. Pa, ip, pa, papa. Pa and ip is pop, and then pa, papa, papa. Next word is tata. Tata means grandfather. Ta, it, ta, tata. Next word is party. It means grandmother. Pa, it, t, party. Next word is Thambi. It means younger brother. Ta, im, pi, Thambi. Next word is Tangai. It means younger sister. Ta, in, kai, Tangai. Next word is Mama. Uncle. Ma, mama. Next word is Attai. It means aunt. A, it, tai, Attai. Next word is Kanavan. It means husband. Ka, na, va, in. See the difference in pronunciation for na and in. For na, we bend the tongue inward, and for in, we touch the bottom of the upper teeth. So that is the difference. Kanavan. Ka, na, va, in. Kanavan. Next word is Manaivi. It means wife. Ma, nai, vi, Manaivi. Next word is Mahan. It means son. Ma, ka, in, Mahan. The next one is Mahal, daughter. Ma, ka, il, Mahal. See the pronunciation for il. For il, you have to touch the middle of the upper palate. So note the difference between la, and ra. For il, you have to touch the middle of the upper palate. Mahal. Next word is Marumahan, son-in-law. Ma, ru, ma, ka, in, Marumahan. The next one is Marumahal, daughter-in-law. Ma, ru, ma, ka, il, Marumahal. The next word is Peran. It means grandson. Pe-ra-in, Peran. Next word is Peti. It means granddaughter. Pe-it-ti, Peti. So far we have learnt words related to relationships in a family. From next video onwards, we will focus on Tamil for communication. Apart from reading, we are also building vocabulary. Thank you.